Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on everyone's favorite trumpet, the Nissan 350Z. So in today's episode, we're going to be finally assembling the motor to its last items before we get to put it into the car. So follow along with that and watch as we prep this thing to get ready to go back into the Z.
A little hard to tell on camera, but the JDM one is actually taller. I wasn't sure if the internet was accurate, but it looks like they actually are in this case. And these are newer too, so we're just swapping these over. Look at that!
Alright guys, well thanks for sticking around through another episode here. Hope you guys are enjoying this 350Z build. We're actually going to be wrapping this one up soon. The motor's pretty much ready to go back in after this video, just bolting the trans on, and then you'll see we'll be installing it in the next video, so that's really exciting. So this will wrap to a conclusion here shortly. But we've got some other exciting projects just around the corner too, so hopefully you guys are stoked for those ones like we are. Can't wait for you to see some of the stuff that we're doing. So if you enjoyed it, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the like button as well too. And tell us down below, what's the best trumpet car? Is it a Z? Is it a Z? Or is it, I don't know. Is there anything more trumpety than a Z? Let us know. Alright guys, bye. Alright, intro done, outro, hello Taylor. Awesome, well thank you guys for watching another video. That's gonna wrap up no, we can do better. What's up guys? Go ahead and smash that like if you enjoyed how sexual this episode was. Alright, now I'm just fucking buying time. Just gonna going to cut it here and then just do a new video for the outro.